I woke up way too late again. Inspect some motorcycles, see which ones are right for me. Here at Kathmandu don't have vibrant. I think I actually managed to walk around the city. Me find the Queen Victoria market totally deserted because I woke up way too late. Queen Victoria, which is actually a quite huge market. If it goes all the way from there, all the way to there. Gotta check that out during the daytime. The Drunken Poet. Seems like a pretty cool place. I don't really feel like going in there alone. I was actually about to get a bank but woke up 1 hour too late. The bank was already closed. Well, apparently they're not even open Sundays. I didn't even know it was Sunday. Red light cameras, or whatever you call them. This is what they look like. Don't know what that one is though. But it seems taped off. I do not know how high the fines here are for those red light crossing things. Ooh, that's parked. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna stand here to see if I can catch that again. A little crashed car. So this is a bicycle lane. Whenever you're tired of life, you can always take the bike. There's a little sign hanging there that says cut off, which apparently they did not do. The market opening hours are not very long at all. This is a pretty cool place. Look at that. Nice shot. They offer a free welcome tour for the Queen Victoria market. Holland import. I don't even know what kind of beer it is. No, it's actually Holland import. So we just asked for a heavy lettuce. We're getting there. So, at first I thought I needed a text number to get a bank account. I was misinformed. You can just get it without ANZ. You get an ANZ. My name is too long for the computer. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a Hungry Jack's burger. The healthy lifestyle will come soon enough. I think this elevator is going to be my little talking pod from now on. The English teaching course is a little more expensive than I thought, but I can start the 2nd of October. So I'm going to stay longer than I thought. It is almost full moon. Almost fully moony. The motorcycle I am interested in buying. Look at that. Can I go sit on it? No, probably not. R1200. I'm just gonna put my leg around here and sit like that. And oh my god, it's so good to sit here. Feel it. That is too big and I'm gonna fall and hurt myself with that thing. I need a smaller one. So much happening at night. Like the Hungry Jack, sitting on your floor. Chicken wing app from Hungry Jack. You can apparently just check your phone and win prizes. Let's see. If you fill in the questionnaire, you can get a free barbecue cheeseburger. Questionnaire of like almost 10 minutes. I ordered some extra ketchup because they forgot the ketchup. Let's party. Oh yeah. And they made it neat again. For us, these little aliens. I like them. Look at that. Guys, it is really cool. And these are plastic. Oh, plastic. Advertising in plastic. I don't know if I would ever go in a place where they advertise food in plastic. I'm just gonna go check out this alleyway. Just walking across the alleyway. See what the alleyway is all about. Graffiti everywhere, as you can see. A little graffiti over there. Nice and colorful. A little graffiti over here. Also nice and colorful. Yeah, a little clown over there. A little mouth over there. A little clown mouth. That graffiti lane. It is pretty cool. I like graffiti. Little Space Invader over there. Cool. Graffiti lane. On Flanders Street. I totally feel like as if I'm gonna go ski. It's like truly winter. Is my nose red? I think my nose is red. But that's because it's so cool. No, I don't blow clouds, but I could. Cause it's so fucking freaking cold. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. It's too cold to wander around this night. It's so cold. I'm back home. Let's see. My red nose. Yeah. Miss. We went to the Hungry Jack's. I ate, yeah, and then I slept a long time. You can leave a comment down below, and you can subscribe down there, and you can watch another video over there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Today is gonna be the day of change.